Evey Events and Tickets now offers a powerful feature that lets you integrate your email service provider directly with the app. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to set up your email provider so you can easily send important notifications like order confirmations and shipping updates to your customers. Let's get started. First, let's set up your email service provider in the app. Open the Evey dashboard and click on Settings in the top right corner. From the Settings page, select Email Service. Now, in the Provider section, choose your preferred email provider from the list. Keep in mind that each provider has different setup requirements, so be sure to have all the necessary credentials ready. Don't worry, we have helpful guides in our knowledge base to walk you through obtaining these credentials. Now, if you prefer to use your own email server, you can set up a custom SMTP server by entering your server details here. Next, let's personalize your sender information. Let's make sure your sender email is set up correctly in the Shopify account. So go to the Custom Sender Information section and click the link that will take you to the Shopify settings to edit the sender email. Make sure this matches the sender email address in the Provider section. Once everything's set up, let's send a test email to make sure everything's working. Enter a test recipient's email address in the provided field. Click Send, and this will send a test email to check that everything is working as expected. Here's what it should look like when it arrives. And that's it. You've successfully set up your email provider in Evey. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team.